Barda. Major Coordinator Ria Calvelo, Lucy Hermoino. DBCDLC Coordinator Erica Gina Pino, Domingo Bastillo. Entry number 5, Don Gregorio O. Balatan, Institute Incorporated. Thank you very much. Entry number 5, Don Gregorio O. Balatan Institute Incorporated from Siramat, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Category 1, CTP DRM Mixed Company, entry number 6, La Consolacion College, Iriga City. Troop Commander Christopher Velasco Jr.